In this video, I'll show you my complete process of how I created this character, Scrunchy Loper, from initial sketch to refined sketch, then 2 stages of inking, and then to my alcohol marker stage, and finally some tweaks in Photoshop. So let's go. So you can see here I'm just roughing out a basic mannequin and then trying to get a basic expression on the face here. A little tough at this size, but eventually I just went over it a couple of times until I got something that I liked. This whole project was inspired by some 80s punk pop characters, and I just liked some of the energy and expressions and body poses too, some of the on stage poses. So I just really liked it and thought, hey, I'm going to do a quick sketch. And then it quickly morphed into a bigger project. I thought, wow, I should ink this, and then I thought, well, I just spent $300 on all these alcohol markers, I should give them a try. And so it ended up being a little bigger project, but a lot of fun, and I hope you like it. So here I'm just getting the initial sketch flushed out here. Got my putty eraser there in action, and just going over things. Yeah, I wanted to change the eyes and get them tilted a little more. Alright. So after the initial sketch, I thought, well, hey, I should add on some jewelry and just some accessories and do some things that I don't normally do, and I was having trouble getting this heart pendant down, so I had to get a smaller sized lead in this mechanical pencil here that I'm using. So that really helped, because I'm normally using a couple of millimeter thick lead, and so for some of that finer work I went to a smaller lead size. And just adding some basic bracelets to the arm here. Just trying to do a few things that I don't normally do, and it was a little bit of fun, so I grabbed some jewelry references and things like that. And then I thought, well, her leg's too bare, so I'm just going to put this make-believe fictional wrap around it, and I think it worked out pretty good. And then just doing some basic shading there. And then I thought I should add that foot on, which didn't come out in the photocopy. And now on to ink. So I took my basic fine point Sharpie and just thought I would do all the contours with it and just basic little bits of shading. And I always like to get the face and especially the eyes done when I'm fresh and not tired, because if you mess that up, the drawing's pretty much done. So I like to get that done first, and then just making some decisions on the hair and what kind of shapes I want for the hair lines. Trying to make sure I have a good silhouette around the face. I always find when the camera's running, I can't get my head close enough to the drawing, because I like to really get my nose close to it, and I have to learn how to draw and ink from a bit of a distance so I don't get my head in the shot all the time. But I'm learning how to do it. Okay, I like these Pigma Sakura brush pens. I end up using the fine point the most though, because it's just the right size, and I can really control the nib well. So I only use the medium and bold one when I have a big area to fill in, so they don't get used very often. I think adding in those dark shadow areas really improved the drawing. And this is a copy of the original sketch, because I don't like working on the original sketch, especially when I'm not confident doing something. So here I've started using my, well, I was going to say Copics, but they're actually Ohuhus, and getting used to them. And even though I bought a couple of $100, actually $300 worth of markers, I haven't found that I have enough different shades of pink for the skin. A lot of the skin colors have an orange tinge to them, and I like working more with pinks. So that was a little bit of a challenge, but I'm sure in time I'll get used to them, and I'll buy more markers and get all the blending shading that I want in my mind. I'll eventually find them. But working with the markers is pretty cool. This is only like the third or fourth time I've used them at all, so it takes a little bit of time to get used to them. And I tried a couple without watching any videos online, and some of them worked out okay and some were a big mess, so it was good to watch a few videos of people who had some experience. I think the big thing is just to leave the highlight areas so you don't have everything drowned in color, and you can leave those highlight areas. And if you want to fill them in later, of course you can. I've got a million markers out here just for fun. And I thought I'd try and ground her on the ground somehow, so I put in this little circle medallion that she's standing on. And then you can see her face here, and it's looking fine, but I just thought it needed something to make it pop a little bit. So I'll get the shading in here. That color is red gray, and I really like it for shadows. It really worked well for me. Okay, so I thought the face was looking good, but I wanted it to pop a little more, so I grabbed a gel pen and tried to get an outline with the gel pen, which you'll see here in a second. Put some highlights on the legs and now the face, and then you'll see I do this outline of the face, and I really felt that made the face pop, so I like that. I had these gel pens for forever and hadn't used them, so finally nice to have a reason to use them. And I found that you had to go over the gel pens 2 or 3 times and let them really dry, and then put another layer on, and that seemed to work well. So this is my first version. I did another one right after this one, and I just found that I wanted to try it again and see what I could come up with. So while I like this one, I thought I would give it another try, and you'll see that coming up. Here we go. So this time I thought I would put a spotlight right over her and start from there. And now that I kind of had an idea of what colors I wanted to use, it went a little faster. So get some basic skin tones on, leave a lot of highlight areas, and then get right into the hair. And also I had a better idea of where I was going to, leave the highlights. So I'm not sure why I put that pink in on the legs though, because it ended up being a bit too bright, and I can't remember if I end up shading them out or not. But they kind of look cool, but I couldn't come up with a reason for why there would be red light there, so just getting a little more shading and tone on there. So you just have to go for it when you're using these markers, because, you know, if you're just learning it like I was here, you just have to make a decision and live with it, which is why, again, I use copies of my original sketch, and then if I have a disaster, well, I just make another copy. And again, that gel pen was really nice to have. Now here, I made a decision that I'm going to put her in the spotlight and have a, you know, black background. So that was a decision just an idea that I thought I would give a try. And then, kind of like a comic book, I left that white area around her and didn't make the black go right up to the character's hair or dress. The only thing is even though I tried really hard to you know, get the background black, it was pretty hard to, and it was sucking up a lot of ink. So there's the first layer of black background, and you can see it's so streaky. And then I let it, you know, I let it dry a little bit, and then tried putting on another layer. But I like the idea. It worked out fun to put the spotlight on her. Now, that's just with the markers, and then I put it into Photoshop, and you can see I just made the background black, and that really helped. And then I thought, hey, I'll put a light effect on her and stretch her out, transform her, make her a little taller and thinner, and I really liked it. So that's it. Like and subscribe, and part 2 will be coming soon.